So in today's video we'll be learning how to read the taperule. This is our taperule.
In this taperule, this is the longest.
This is a very long line. So this long line is this is the longest line. So we have three different lines in this taperule. Here we have the three different lines. This is the longest, then second to the longest, and this is like half of the longest. Yeah, why this is half of this as well, then the smallest. So we're going to be reading the taperule in decimal first. Why this is half of this as well, then the smallest. We're going to be reading the tape in decimal first. So the first line is 0.125. Why this one closer to this one is 0.25. Then we have the quarter of the longest, which is like this. This is 0.325. Sorry, 375. Then we have this closer to this one. Okay, sorry. Then we have the half of the longest, which is like this, which is 0.5. Then the next one, which is the smallest, is 0.625. Then we have the quarter of the longest, which is 0.75. Then we have the smallest again, which is 0.875. Then we have this longest again, which is 1. This one is 1 inch. So this is the logic behind it. This particular line is 0. This particular place is 0. That is why every of our measurements here carries 0, 0.0.0. So we are moving to 1. We are moving to this line that has 1 behind it. So every of our measurements now carries 1. So let's go like this. This line like this is 1.125. 1.125. This one here is going to be 1.25. 1.25. While this is going to be 1.375. And this is going to be 1.5. This is going to be 1.625. This quarter of the longest is going to be 1.75. While this is going to be 1.875. Then we move to another longest that has 2, which is 2. So every of our measurements within this bracket carries 2 at the back. Every of our measurements within this bracket carries 2. So that's to say this particular line is 2.125. This line is 2.25. This is 2.375. And this is 3.5. So 2.5. This is 2.625. This is 2.75. This is 2.875. Then we have the longest again, which is 3. So this is how you read this tape till you get to the very last figure on the tape, that is 60. So apparently this particular line is going to be, because this line still carries 59 at the back, this line carries 59, so that's going to be 59 875. Maybe you want to divide 25 divided by 4. Let me just do it that way. 25 divided by 4. This is how I divide my measurements, especially when I'm not with calculator rather. So this is division by 2. Now I'm going to divide by another 2. So I'm going to take the tip of this tape again like this and find the midpoint. Now you've gotten to the midpoint. What is this? Your tape. Read this particular figure. Tell me what you read in the comment section. So let me tell you what I read. If this particular figure is 1.25 and this particular figure is 2 point and this no sorry if this particular figure is 125.125 rather and this particular figure is 0.25, the figure before the point is going to be the figure at the back of the longest line. So that is to say this particular line is 6.25. Hope you understand. So in my next video you will be learning how to read the liter tape in a fraction form. Till I see you next time. Bye.